Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can download all photos and videos from Google Photos at once. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply step into our video now. For that purpose, let's go ahead open our Google Photos first. So as you can see, I'm already here in my Google Photos. Once you are there, what you're gonna do is simply go ahead, tap on your profile icon on top right corner of your phone, tap on this manage your Google account. Now go to this option called data and privacy and scroll down till you get this option called content saved from Google services, apps and services. Tap on this photos option given over here, and if you scroll down you will be able to get this photo option right over here, right? And now you can see, as you can see, this download option, right? Simply tap on this download option and this will take you to this Google Takeout interface over here. So what you're gonna do is make sure you have selected this option called Google Photos, your photos and videos from Google Photos. Tap on this next step over here. So what you're gonna do is tap on the export once. You can choose a file. So zip is better for that. It's 2 GB. Tap on this create export option now, and you can see your files are currently being prepared. This process can take a long time, possibly hours or days. To complete, you will receive an email when your export is done. Created July 10. So you can see it will take a long time for it to collect all of your photos and videos. So for that matter, please wait for a while, then you will get an email here in your Google inbox. You can see I've already got this email. Go ahead, tap on that one, and you can see now I can tap on this download your files option. Simply go ahead, enter your password, tap on next, and you will be able to download that particular file which contains all of your videos and photos. So yes guys, if you're not getting the email right away, that might be because you might have lots of files in mobile phone which is taking a time to collect all of it. So yes guys, this is it. This is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.